Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Atar Wahyu Pangestu and my partner Muhammad Reza Satria. We are from 4SC7 Group 6. Our project Erigo Database. My this is flowchart my project. This application is actual made for employee with function to input data, update data, and delete data. After the application is running, we are show several menu such as input data and display data. This this is uh this is the view of the database that we use to create Erigo database. Start page of the Erigo database application. After the welcome page, we will enter to input menu. The data has been input will be displayed on the display menu. On the display menu, we can choose to update or delete data.
Now I'm gonna show you the interface of our website and a little breakdown for the code part. First, we created this connection.php. It is used to connect our website to the database server. And this is our database name. And second, we created this landing page. For the headings, we add this top navigation bar, which contains 3 buttons, which are index, input, and display. And Erigo Store as our title, and this is the link to our CSS style. And for the body, we use center function, heading 1 for this text and heading 3 for this text, and this is the result. This is heading 1, heading 3, and this is the top navigation bar. And for the insert data, this is the same, and heading 3 for this input data text, and this is the function from the insert.php with the post method. And we also created a table like this, and the value are name of the clothing, type of clothing, the color, size, amount, and the price. And we also add these 2 empty cells at the bottom left, and we add these 2 buttons at the bottom of right, which are save and clear. And for the insert function, the head are the same, and this is the PHP code. It is include the connection.php to connect our to database server, and this is the variable value, right, as you can see. This is the post method, which are name, type, color, and everything. And the default time zone set to Asia and Jakarta. Right, this is the SQL query insert into our table names, and this is the variable that we insert. And if the data is succeed, this will print, and if it failed, this will display the error. And for the display data, for the body, we use heading 3 to display data text, and we use table 2. And for the table head, we got number, name, type, and all the way down here. And for the body, we created this PHP function including connection, and this is the same thing as before, and this is to show from the from the ID one, and this is unlike before, and this is the code to display the data like this. This is the data that we are already input. And for the insert function, as you can see, this is almost the same like the other function. Use include connection, we got variable value here, date, and query, and print, and if else. We use this PHP code, include connection, and we get the ID, and the SQL code is select from our table, select from ID, and this is the function from update.php with the post method, and the class input type is hidden, and the value is name, type, color, and like before. It's also the same. So when we press this button, it will appear. The interface is almost the same like the input method. Now, as you can see, the difference is only this only has one button to update the button, and when we press this, this message will be appear. And for the delete function, we use this SQL delete from our table. And the next is the same like before. Like I'll show you. Like when this will appear when you successfully deleted the data. And for the last, this is our style. I copied this from the internet website. For the body, this is background image. This is our background image, and this is the code for the top navigation bar, and this is the code for our table style. This is the final result. If you this is index button is to move to the index of our database. This is the welcome, the input part, the display one, update, and delete. And that's it from our group. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.